So, for my birthday, my girlfriend surprised me. For this episode of The Build, today we're in Boston. Now, it's crazy. I'm gonna open this first.
Yeah, the top one first.
It's actually what it's in the box, or is...
I don't know, I have to see. Here.
Oh, give me. Yeah.
18.9 in the front, 18.10 in the rear, right?
These are notes.
The other three are downstairs.
Are you kidding me? My girlfriend actually completely knew my offsets, which is crazy. She went in my YouTube videos to find the correct offset. They are the Arc 8 and they're matte bronze. Now, we might have a little issue though, because I didn't even think about this. They actually messaged me and I realized that they may not clear the 380mm Brembos that are on my car.
Please hold while I try to connect you.
My girlfriend purchased some Arc 8s for me. It was sounding like those Arc 8s may not fit with the 380mm Brembos.
Right, yeah, the Arc 8, the design of it, it's not so much the offset that would affect it, it's the actual design of the Arc 8. It's an older design, and so it just doesn't have the barrel and spoke clearances that you'll need to clear 380 Brembo kit.
Damn. So there's no chance that that will fit.
Yeah, I mean, even with spacers, there's not much you can do.
Okay, figured out the solution, guys. Unfortunately, I'm sad about this, but the wheels can't go on the E92 M3 right now. So eventually I'm gonna have to get a smaller rotor from Brembo. Right now, I don't wanna buy new rotors for no reason. So we're putting it on the Z4M. Later, bro. Hold on, can we just take a second to appreciate how cute this dude is? Look at this, oh my God. It sucks right now. Jay has his foot, you can see his foot is all swollen. He's having some type of allergy right now, so we've been taking him to the vet. Jasmine, come. Can you sit? Good girl. Down. Wait. Down. Down. Wait. No. Oh, you're gonna do me dirty like that on YouTube? You know better than this. Wait. Free. Good girl. You have the key to the 4Runner?
Nope, not for you.
All right, never made a video like this before. I gotta pack the wheels into the 4Runner. I feel like I just did this. But let's go to Discount Tire and actually get these wheels put on.
We had wheels in our bathroom for like months, and then we finally got rid of them, and then I got you wheels.
She loves to have just like wheels in her bathroom.
It's like this best like decoration for the
Look at this, guys. Oh, wheels. All right, later. Later.
Later.
All right, we're off. We're here. Hopefully, please don't scratch my wheels. Please don't scratch them. Last time I said this, I literally grabbed the wheels, I looked at it, and there's a huge nick on the lip. All right, it's been about an hour, but they're done. Woo! They're all ready. Alright guys, so basically what I was doing here is I wanted to make sure that number one, I cleaned the wheels before they went on. Just because a little bit of grease and different stuff that a discount tire actually got on the tires or got on the wheels when I was putting it on. But also I wanted to actually seal it. So I washed it and then I sealed it with Reload. What sealing does is similar to like a wax, but on wheels. I'm basically wanting it so, you know, brake dust isn't gonna stick as much, just be a little bit cleaner overall. And then also, it does give it a little bit of a different shine with the matte finish. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, and then of course subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notifications for new videos. Alright, see you guys in the next one.